24 voice signals are sampled uniformly at the rate of 8 kilohertz and then time division multiplexed. Okay. So, total number of signals will be 24 multiplexed and sampling rate is given as 8 kilohertz and time division multiplexed. Then what is the frame time? Each frame time, this is Ts is equals to 1 by Fs, 1 by 8 kilohertz, this is 125 microseconds each frame time is. And the sampling process uses flat top samples with 1 microsecond duration. So, in 1 frame time, that is Ts is equals to 125 microseconds. In 1 frame time Ts, 1 sample from every signal will exist. So, in 1 frame time Ts, total 24 samples will present. 1 sample from every signal, so 24 samples will present, and here flat top samples are used, flat top sampling is used. So, 24 flat top samples will present now, this is in 1 frame. And the multiplexing operation includes provision of synchronization by adding an extra bit of 1 microsecond of duration for each frame. So, for synchronization purpose, in every frame 1 extra pulse was used having 1 microsecond duration in every frame. So, in each frame time Ts, 24 actual samples will present, 1 sample from every signal and 1 extra pulse also present. So, 24 pulses, because flat top sampling is used, sample means pulse only. So, 24 pulses from this 24 signals plus 1 extra pulse. So, total 25 pulses will present in every frame Ts, 25, 1 pulse, second pulse like this. So, 25 pulses will present. Each pulse duration is given 1 microsecond, this is 1 microsecond duration. Okay. Now, what is the question is the spacing between successive pulses, we have to find out what is the spacing between successive pulses will be. So, what is this time will be equals now? This time will be how much? Total you can see this as some 25 slats, 25 pulses, 1 pulse, second pulse and 25th pulse. You can see this as some 25 slots like this, 25 slots, this is like this, 25 slots. Then what is the time duration of each slot will be? Total time 125 microseconds, then total 25 slots will be there. So, 25, so it will be 5 microseconds. The time duration of every slot will be 5 microseconds. And in this 5 microseconds, the actual pulse duration is 1 microsecond and this time gap, the gap between pulses will be equals to 4 microseconds will be.